Okay, listen carefully. If you are in India and want to use CapCut on your iPhone, here is the easiest way. First, go to the App Store and download any free VPN app. You can try Proton VPN or Super Unlimited VPN. After installing, open the VPN and set your location to Singapore, the US, or the UK. Now, open your iPhone App Store, tap on your Apple ID at the top, then go to View Account. Then here you can see country or region. Here, change your region to the same country you selected in the VPN. For example, if you set VPN to Singapore, then choose Singapore here too. Agree to the terms and condition when it asks for an address. Just fill in any random Singapore or US address and also add postal code. You can quickly find one on Google. For payment method, just select none. Once this is done, go back to the App Store, search for CapCut. Now you will see the app is available. Download and install it normally. After installation, you can turn off your VPN. CapCut will keep working without any problem. But remember, if you want to update the apps later, you may need to turn on VPN again. So that's it, simple steps. VPN on, change App Store region, download CapCut, and enjoy editing on your iPhone in India. Thanks for watching.